Hello everyone, welcome back to day 6 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you can speak English when you are alone, but your confidence disappears when people are around, this video is for you. Today we will talk about how to speak English confidently in front of others, even if you feel nervous or scared. Relatable problem. Let me ask you something. When you are alone you can speak English, but when someone listens to you, someone looks at you, or someone judges you, your voice becomes low, your mind goes blank, and your confidence disappears. This doesn't mean your English is bad, it means your fear is loud. Important truth: confidence doesn't come from perfect English. Confidence comes from familiarity. The more familiar you are with speaking situations, the calmer you feel. So don't try to sound perfect, try to sound comfortable. Method 1: start small. You don't need a big audience. Start with one person, a mirror, or your phone camera. Speak one or two sentences. For example, I am learning English, I am trying to improve. Small wins build confidence. Method 2: speak slowly. When you speak slowly, your mind gets time, the words become clear, and your confidence increases. Pause is not weakness, pause is control. Method 3: accept imperfection. Mistakes will happen. Even fluent speakers forget words, make grammar mistakes, but they continue speaking. Don't stop because of one mistake. Finish your thought. That's confidence. Common mistake: many learners think I will speak when I feel confident. But confidence comes after speaking, not before. Speak first, confidence will follow. Daily practice tip: during your daily speaking practice, imagine someone is listening, record yourself, watch it without judging yourself. This prepares your mind for real situations. Let me tell you something honestly: people are not judging you as much as you think. Most people are busy thinking about themselves. So speak, express, try, your voice matters. This was day 6 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you practiced today, comment day 6 done. Tomorrow in day 7, we will talk about how to stay consistent when motivation is low. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you for watching.